The landscape designer here has put text on top of these symbols to represent individual species, and it's been done. Let me click on this symbol and edit the block. It's been done by incorporating some text into the block. Let's close the block editor. While that works fine, what it does do is give a different height of text in each symbol. So if a symbol is scaled differentially, then the height will scale with it. So there is a better way to apply a label to those symbols and to have the label, the text, the same height, which leads to a clearer impression. Let's try it. So gCADPlus, apply a code to the center of selected symbols. We'll select this group through here and even add that one and hit enter. I'm asked to indicate the text height. We'll try 120. Obviously I've rehearsed this, and we'll hit enter. Now when I unselect all, you can see that all of those symbols that we nominated now have a marker, a text marker in them, and each text marker is on its own layer, L-auto label. So if we wanted to change the color of that text, all we need to do is go to find the layer L-auto label, and it's currently by block. Let's make it red and OK. And now all the symbols change, all the text symbols change, but the height is consistent across the drawing. The system relies upon you associating a species with a symbol. So if I click on this symbol, that tells me that's a miscanthus, and this one is the golden privet, and so on. So the symbols have been associated in the GCP file, and a code has been associated with them as well. So I've handled this group here differently to the way in which these species down through here. This has still been associated. Here we have a viburnum, but the code is incorporated into the symbol. We'd like to think that this method of applying the code in the center of the symbol is going to be a bit quicker and is likely to make your drafting much more efficient. What it enables you to do on a custom plant schedule, remember that's plant schedules here, plant schedule and custom schedule, is you can nominate what you want in that schedule, and you can include the code in that schedule and include the symbol as well, and that helps your users identify the species that you've specified for that zone in the design.